Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. One of my technician brought this phone to me. According to him, he told me that the network is not working. Check this out. This phone is having issue with the network. According to him, he tried different ways to fix it, but still not working. So today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process, what you will do so that the network will work perfectly and you have a full 5G network. So without time wasted, let's get started. Before I start this video, I want to show you the proof that the SIM card. Check this out. So here we have a SIM card. You can see the SIM card. Without time wasted, let me start. Check this out. First of all, we are going to check for physical damage. We are going to do what? We are going to check for physical damage. I told you guys before that it's important for you to check for physical damage. If you don't check for physical damage, how will you be able to detect the component that is not working? Check this out. Right now, I'm using my multimeter to test. Check this out. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you using your multimeter to test? How will you be able to know the problem? I will know. Check this out. Right now, I'm checking. You can see I test the signal line, the antenna line. Check this out. Nothing is wrong with the signal line. Check this out. I test this component. It's reading perfectly, my dear technician. The next thing is for me to go straight to the top. I discover there's a physical damage. My dear technician, this physical damage cannot stop this phone from getting network. The phone will still get network, but the network will not be strong. But why is the phone not getting network at all? The only thing I will do right now so that I can fix the issue is for me to first of all reball the network IC. My dear technician, if you have any question that you want to ask me, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So right now, I want to blow. Check this out. You can see I'm blowing. I want to remove the network IC and reball. After reballing, we proceed, okay? We proceed till we fix this phone. You may ask, Father Joe, why you want to remove the IC? My dear technician, there are 5 reasons why I want to remove this IC, and I'll only share one reason with you, others for my physical training students. Now listen, if you notice, if you check this PCB very well, you see that the shell was forcefully removed. Yes, the shell was forcefully removed, and it creates what we call dry solder. Some of the connections are not connected. I don't know if you understand my point. I mean, some of the lines are not ready. That is why I remove the IC. So right now, I want to clean and reball it. And after that, we proceed and fix this phone. I want this phone to get network immediately. You turn it on. I want this phone to get network. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. So right now, I want to desolder. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. So I want you to take your time to do your customer phone. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Please take your time to do your customer phone. I will be done. 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 So I'm taking my time to do this. Just take your time to do your customer phone. After that, everything will work perfectly. Make sure you follow the steps. Check all the components on the PCB to be very, very sure that they are working. The next thing is for me to clean it. You can see I take my time to clean it. After cleaning, reboiling take place. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. You can see you have to desolder this. Desolder all the leads on the IC. Take your time to do it. The next thing is cleaning. You can see I take my time to clean it very well. So after cleaning, reboiling, Check this out. Now I want to reboard. My dear technician, please take your time to do your customer phone. Check this out. Set it very well. Confirm. Make sure that you align it very, very well. If not, you will not have a good reboard. Apply your soda paste. Make sure you use a good temperature soda paste. Check this out. Clean it very well. So the next thing is grating the soda balls. Check this out. 1, 2, ready. We go. Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. You can see. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, go. Check the balls. Check the balls. Check the balls. Wow, I love this. I love this. Very fast and good, Check this out. I love this. Clean work. My dear technician, check this out. Clean work. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. So this is the IC itself. You can see very clean, no error. Just one time. My dear technician, please learn this. Learn this, okay? I want you to learn IC reballing. I want you to start doing motherboard work, okay? Start doing motherboard work. It's important, please, so that you make money, okay? Check this out. Check for error. Then after that, you clean. Take your time to clean it. Check this out. Just clean my own. Make sure you clean your own. I don't want to see any error. The next thing is for you to apply. Very small flux, so please, small flux. If your flux is too much, there will be an error. Check this out. I want to apply. Check this out. So this is the IC. You can see, place it here. Make sure you set it. Check alignment. Check orientation. Make sure everything is good. Check this out. So after setting, the next thing is for me to heat up. So I'm taking my time to heat up. Make sure you take your time to heat up yours. You can see very, very, oh my dear technician, very good. Everything is good. Like, I love this. The IC said itself, yay. Hey, I love this. My dear technician, you can see I cleaned it very well. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to fix this physical damage that I told you guys before. So I want to fix it right now. My dear technician, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Please. I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, please. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out, my dear technician. Make sure you solder it, connect it very well. Take your time to do it, okay? Don't rush. Just take your time to do it. Don't rush, my dear technician. My dear technician, I'm done. Check this out. Let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. Want you guys to see the proof. You can see everything now is working. Everything is working. I'm sure you can remember what I did to this phone. My dear technician, let me show you the proof. Check this out. Check this out, my technician. Check this out. Check this out, it's working. My technician, it works like magic. It works like magic. Check this out. It works like magic. Check this out. It works like magic. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. It works like magic. Check this out. My technician. It works like magic. I told you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.